Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Focus door seal. First, let's identify the common signs of a failing seal. Look for drafts, water leaks, or increased road noise inside your car. A damaged seal can lead to significant discomfort and potential water damage to your interior. Before starting, gather your new door seal, a trim removal tool, and a good adhesive cleaner. This preparation ensures a smooth and effective repair process. Now, let's carefully remove the old door seal. Begin by gently peeling it away from the door frame, starting at a corner. Use a plastic trim removal tool if needed to avoid scratching the paint. Once the old seal is off, thoroughly clean the entire channel where the seal sits. Make sure to remove all old adhesive residue and any dirt or debris. A clean surface is crucial for the new seal to adhere properly. With the surface clean, it's time to install your new door seal. Start by aligning one end of the new seal with the corresponding corner of the door frame. Press the seal firmly into the channel, working your way around the entire door opening. Ensure it sits snugly and evenly. If your seal comes with adhesive, make sure it makes good contact. Trim any excess material at the end for a neat, factory-like finish. After installing the new seal, perform some final checks. Gently close the door to ensure it latches securely and creates a tight seal. Listen for any unusual noises and check for drafts or water leaks, especially after a car wash. Regular cleaning of your door seals with a mild soap and water solution will help maintain their flexibility and extend their lifespan. This simple maintenance keeps your Ford Focus comfortable and protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.